Good morning, students. See from where we have started Pascal's law. What this law states, it states that the pressure exerted anywhere in a confined liquid is transmitted equally and undiminished in all the directions throughout the liquid. No discrimination will be there. Equal transmission will be there. Okay. Now the diagram given in your book. Open your books. Figure 4.5. What they have shown, we are having one round bottom flask with narrow tubes attached to it. We fill the water up till the same level in these tubes. Level of water is what? Same. Here we are having a airtight piston. Okay. When we are putting a pressure on this airtight piston, what you will see the water coming out from that same height till the same level. Pressure you are applying here, but from all the holes, anywhere where the pipes are attached in that round bottom, fine, the liquid is coming out to be at same height. So it proves कि कोई discrimination नहीं है. अगर we are having a liquid, confined liquid, इतनी space में ही liquid है, ठीक है जी, तो जब आप pressure apply करोगे तो इक्वली इफेक्ट करेगा वो हर पार्ट पे जहां पे भी लिक्विड होगा. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द ऑब्जर्वेशन दैट द जेट ऑफ वाटर राइजेस आउट फ्रॉम ईच ट्यूब रीचिंग द सेम हाइट. सो क्या शो किया इसने? द प्रेशर अप्लाइड टू द एनक्लोज्ड लिक्विड इज ट्रांसमिटेड इक्वली इन ऑल डायरेक्शंस एवरीवेयर इनसाइड द लिक्विड. व्हेन यू अप्लाई प्रेशर बाय पिस्टन हेयर इन द लिक्विड, this pressure is applied equally in the all directions where that liquid is present. That what Pascal law is stating. Next we are going to start with now applications of Pascal's law. All the hydraulic machines you are having, hydraulic jack, hydraulic press, okay, hydraulic brakes, these all are what the applications of Pascal's law. Which principle it follows? A small force applied on a smaller piston. This is what our smaller piston. Okay, and this is what our bigger piston. A small force apply on a smaller piston is transmitted to produce a large force. क्या कह रहा है वहाँ पे? Because pressures are equal in the confined liquid, equal amount of pressure is exerted. So the small force you applied here, its impact will be what? A larger force where the larger area is. Now what Pascal law is stating? That when liquid is confined, fine, you are having a confined liquid, equal transmission in all the directions should be there. Okay, pressure applied is what? Equally get by all the sides of the liquid. So if P1 is the pressure in this part of the liquid and P2 is the pressure in this part of the liquid, both the pressures are what? Same. Okay, but effect of force and area is what? Different. What is P2? P2 is F2 upon A2. F2 upon A2, force upon area. What is P1? F1 upon A1. F1 upon A1. P2 and P1 are equal according to the Pascal's law. So here what we are having, P2 is equal to P1 according to the Pascal's law. So which is what? F2 upon A2 is equal to F1 upon A1. So can I write from this F2 upon F1 upon A2 upon A1? So what, these equations are same? So obviously agar A2 is bigger than A1, similarly what will happen? F2 will be greater than F1. You can do it anyway by using any principle of mathematics. Either you can see that almost the denominators what smaller one, less force is there, less area is there according to our figure. So F2 is what? Greater than F1, and similarly A2 is what? Greater than A1. So ज़्यादा एरिया जहाँ पे होगा वहाँ पे ज़्यादा फोर्स मिलेगी, चाहे आप क्या लगाओ, आप कम एरिया पे कम फोर्स लगाओ. इसीलिए इसे फोर्स मल्टीप्लायर कहते हैं कि हमने थोड़ी सी फोर्स लगाई बट आउटपुट क्या मिली हमें? दैट इज व्हाट? अ लार्ज force. Why? because pressure is what? Same. Small forces F1 applied on a smaller piston can be used to produce a larger force F2 on a bigger piston. So what we have done two things. One is what? The definition of the Pascal law, which states that equal amount of pressure will be affected by all the corners of the confined liquid on which we are applying a pressure. And then other one is what? Principle of hydraulic machine, that a smaller force applied on a smaller piston is transmitted to produce a larger force on a bigger piston. So you applied here a smaller force, but effect is what? Larger. Thank you.